Hey guys, today we are a grenade. Shooting a grenade. Well, it's not really a grenade, is it? You're kind of lying. Well, it is a real grenade. It is a real grenade. It's not. It's not actually a grenade. Well, okay. It was a real grenade. It's solid. That's clickbait. It's completely real, but it's had the stuff taken out of it. So, but still a real grenade. It was a grenade. It's a bit of metal. No, it's not clickbait. We don't like clickbait around here. Technically, that's not. Don't listen to him. It's not clickbait. I'm sorry about him. He's an idiot. Okay, yes. We're not shooting a live grenade, but this was a grenade. Technically, I'm correct. Ain't no clickbaiting technically around here. Just want to see what it's like. Just do some plinking today. Just going to stick this up, see if it's a good target. A few other things here. Just going to put some different targets up. Make some noise. Relax. Yeah, so nothing but chill plinking today. That grenade has sat there for a while. I've got loads of artillery shells and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, they just do nothing, so let's shoot them, see if they're a good target. Right. What does it sound like? It sounded rubbish. I think I missed there. Okay, this has turned out to be a terrible idea. Okay then. Let's forget to shoot the grenade. Get on with the plinking. Let's do the bit of steel anyway. That's a new bit of steel from the shooting show. I don't think I've shot that in a video yet. Let's make some music with that. Not reflected on the other one. Wish I got more than them, they're only £5. Wish I got a few. Come on, feel the noise. Girls rock the boat. Okay, well the grenade fails. The steel's great. There's a metal straw there. Don't ask me why it's there, but it's there. What does that sound like? Oh, that sounds mint, because it's hitting everything else. It's a nice little fun hard target to hit. Okay, I tell you what. Let's move the camera. Start on all the reactive targets. Okay, let's play about the new zombie. I haven't hit him too many times. Let's see a little bit. Nope. It's more like it. Monkey nuts. Oh. Poor bugger is sore. Nice. Yeah, I was out here yesterday doing this, just plinking away. And I thought I need another plinking video. Sitting. Talking rubbish. Got no rubbish to talk actually. No. None. Well, apart from the grenade, doesn't sound good. I've had it there for ages, waiting to do it. Oh, it'd be really cool. Shoot a grenade and it'll be a lush noise in it. It's there now, I'm not taking it down. Let's get the ducks. It's been a while since we've got the ducks. I think the ducks is the most expensive target there as well. Now the next problem I have on this channel is I need to do some sort of logo. Like I've got this here, painted flat with air guns. I need a logo, something real, something, you know, I mean not something to try and do. People have said to try and do merchandise, but wow, I'm a tiny little guy for that. I need a logo. I think I should use. Okay, Ferris wheel. Oh, you know, I'm going to change the name of these videos. Chilled plinking, chilled target shooting. How about chilled missing? Idiot misses lots of targets. Please come and hang out. We need new challenge as well. You know what? People did cut the card in half and cut the playing card in half and all that. So we need a new challenge. Come on, I can't think of anything. We need something new. Oh, cut the cucumber. Had a cucumber hanging. How many shots to go through that? Or is that just stupid? Okay, we're going to try and take on the Texas Star, but from this angle, I haven't got a shot at the two plates on the right hand side, just next to the monkey. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Well, that one is not going. Oh, whatever. Let's just take a minute to pause here. I haven't told anyone this yet. Can you remember my friend's FX Streamline that doesn't miss? That is the most beautiful rifle ever. It's in there. It's working. There'll be a video soon. Yes, so what should I do with the logo? It needs to be something unique to me. Not just a gun or not just my name. But what's that unique to me? I mean, I've got the barcode on the back of my head. I've got the barcode in somewhere. I mean, it's not really unique to me, but you know, most people don't have that. Or do I somehow have a picture of me shed where I put the roof on it? Just have no idea. But I'm going to think. Whoa, how Let them nuts back. Thank you. Oh, I haven't played Notes and Crosses in a while. Oh, out. Tell you what we're going to do. A few sniper targets here that are still sticky, that didn't get used last time. We'll put these on stuff. Okay, we've got one on the bit of steel. Let's have it. Oh. Oh. Okay, we've got one next to the monkey's foot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you've got to be good to use a sniper targets. There's one below the zombie. It's more like it. Right. Monkey feet. Excellent. Other foot. Meh. Okay, fine. Painted sucks. Pom, pom, pom. Ooh, look at that smoke go. Them things are amazing. Can you see all the smoke down there? Wish I was a better shot. Them things are great. Still got loads as well. Like the bigger ones. Ba-ding! Well, I'm going to leave it there. Nothing much is happening. Don't want to bore you for too long. The whole point of this was to see if the grenade would make a good target. And it doesn't. Join me next time, where the ideas might work. Thank you.